banners, guys. I can really say that you guys prepared a lot for tonight. Woo! Alright.
Yes, I want that energy, Mommy. Ano pong pangalan nila? Adele po.
Mommy Adele, sino sinusuporta ang ating top model kid? Sing what? Oh, wow. I'm kind of overwhelmed over here, but I can really say you guys prepared a lot. Ziggy or Ziggy? Tinakpan na po si Ziggy. Ziggy, halika dito, baby. Baby, ikaw yung star tonight. Come on, come on, come on. Ziggy, can I have your poggy pose? Pose, baby. Okay, sa dami nyo. Grabe, I love the energy, guys. Kung meron tayong kailangan patunayan tonight, guys, you just have to make sure to cheer for Ziggy. So, sino pong official mommy ni Ziggy? Kasi parang ang daming nanay. Mommy, ano yung preparations na ginawa natin for Ziggy today?
Ano po, yung, ayan, mga banner, tapos supporting family.